In this video, I'll show you how to create AI sound effects with ElevenLabs in 2026. If you want to create custom sound effects for videos, games, podcasts, or other creative projects, ElevenLabs can help you generate audio from simple text descriptions. First, open ElevenLabs on your computer and log in to your account. Once you are inside the ElevenLabs interface, look for the Sound Effects Generation feature. The exact location and available options may vary depending on the current version of the platform and your account. After opening the Sound Effects tool, you can start by describing the sound you want to create. For example, you could enter a prompt describing a thunderstorm, a door opening, footsteps on a wooden floor, a car engine starting, ocean waves, or a futuristic machine. Try to make your description clear and specific. Instead of simply writing, rain, you could describe something like heavy rain falling on a metal roof during a nighttime storm. Once your prompt is ready, generate the sound effect using the available generation option. ElevenLabs will process your description and create an audio result based on your prompt. Listen to the generated sound carefully and decide whether it matches what you had in mind. If the result isn't quite right, improve your prompt. Add details about the environment, intensity, timing, distance, or overall atmosphere. You can also experiment with different descriptions to create multiple versions of the same sound. This gives you more options to choose from for your project.